What's happening to my face? The skin is peeling. Ow! Ow! This looks like fun. You want to know how to make it? This video is going to show you how to make slime.
That was so interesting. Now, while we see the DIY to make this, let's also understand the science behind this slimy marvel. Now, to understand that, let's first understand what a polymer is. A polymer is a long chain of molecules. Poly means many and mer is parts. And you can find polymers all around us, from natural substances like rubber to synthetic substances like plastic. The white glue that we use also contains a liquid polymer which is called PVA. We use borax to link the PVA polymer to each other and create a long flexible polymer chain which is slime. Do you know the science in using slime? Well, one instance is when small kids play with slime, they practice using the small muscles in their hands, the fine motor skills, which later helps the kids in writing and gripping. Did you know Maddie Ray, a 12-year-old kid, has the Guinness World Record of making the biggest slime? It weighed 6 tons. If you try this experiment or you have any doubts, let us know in the comments below and we'll see you next week.